Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this bed and put it back on the chassis to get it in its rightful spot, so I can measure and cut this to the right dimensions I need. So have the rims and tires for the rear. This here goes here, so I'm gonna set it on this bed here just so I can figure out the exact width and the stance I want at ride height. All right, so let me get to that. Okay, I got the bed on there. It's setting on there right now. Roughly, I don't know if I can see, y'all can see that shit, but roughly ride height. Our normal stock ride height right here. So it's not the actual ride height of the vehicle, but what I'm measuring is for clearance. I'm measuring for clearance around the notch. See how much room I got in there? Ton of room, both sides. So I'm measuring around the notch to see where the rims and tires will sit underneath. So right now, there's no back bed bolts. I cut them out, but I lined them up to this rail to the frame. So that's about roughly center. So all I'm trying to get is where the rear end back there is going to sit in the middle. So it's on there. Cab is over there. So it's on there. Let's see what I can come up with to make it look a tad bit normal. All right, I'll be right back with you. Okay, back it up some little bit. I got the rims in there. I just rolled them in there now. They're not measured or anything, but inside of there, those are sixes. So I have a little bit of clearance over here, a little bit of clearance over here. I'm gonna have to clearance that wall out here, here, there, and there. But right now, it's sitting at probably max ride height in the back, maybe a little bit higher, maybe an inch or two higher. And the look we got from the side will be that right there. So probably gonna move the rims out another inch and a half, and that's like max ride height. So the bed, half of that down, will be probably ride height, probably about 8.5 inches off the ground. That's enough for everything to clear, you know, when I drive it. But yeah, that's the look there. Let's check out this side, make sure it's roughly the same. Yeah. Oh yeah, she nasty. Oh yeah, she gonna be nasty. Ooh, that candy paint, she gonna be nasty. All built by Ford on Fords, baby. Ford on Fords. Channel's coming up soon. I got get time. Got to clean the swap up, clean the frame up, but I got to line everything up first. So by this being the front tire, where she's at right now, she's a little bit in. So I think if I go out, this ain't the front rim though, of course, but she's a little bit out. So I'm gonna move her out probably 1.5 inches. It's gonna line up the road base real nice, and yeah, that's max ride height right there, and it looks nice on the max ride height. Yeah, she looks good on the max ride height. So yeah, I'm gonna get it like this, and we're gonna see what the hell she twerking with. Let me see. Yeah, we're gonna see what the hell she twerking with. Ooh, she gonna be so nasty. Stay tuned. Whew.